You know, pop this open. What you can do is going to push your thumb here or your hand and push it in and pull down. And yeah, cap fit should be here. Oh, see, you can see the mouse nest already. Get this cover off. So you can tell the mouse been in here already. And here's the new filter. Make sure it's facing upward. Put this in, push it back up, and that should be it. Let's check the hood, see if any mouse nest in there too. You pop the engine cover. You see the mouse nest is there. And there's some acorn here too. Mouse poop. So you can see that they need to know why yet. So that's good so far.